Hi guys, in today's video, we will explore the exciting world of Canva's AI image generator right on your mobile device. So if you've been curious about leveraging artificial intelligence for your design projects, then you're in for a treat. Stick around as I guide you to the process of using Canva's AI image generator effortlessly on your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, begin by opening the Canva app and navigate to the project you're working on. And once you're within that project, locate and tap on the plus icon to explore additional elements for your design. Now, within the options, find the AI image generator and select generate your own. Now, here's the exciting part begins. Describe the image you have in mind by typing relevant keywords and details. Then, Canvas AI will work its magic generating images that align with your description, offering you a range of creative options to choose from. Now, once Canva's smart tool generates some picture, it's back to you for the fun part. Look through the options and easily add the ones that match your project. This friendly collaboration with Canva's smart assistants makes designing not just easier but also a bit more artistic and spontaneous. And that's it. Using Canva's AI image generator on your mobile device. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.